Is there any lesson you learned from what you went through?
You really have to be kind to yourself, I think. And honor what you're going through. Diba? Lalo na kapag nasa public eye ka. Parang lagi mo dinideny sa sarili mo what you're going through.
Hello mga kasangga! Welcome to my channel, Pearl TV and Travels Vlog. Mga kasangga, flex ko lang tong napakagandang usapan ni Doc Ivy at Queen Bea Alonzo, noong nagpunta siya sa clinic for her beauty and skincare. Check this out, guys.
Someone is here today. Hello there.
Hey, congratulations on your
Batch Grocer.
I know, I'm so happy.
It's all over. It was all over social media.
Thank you.
Yeah. I know you're evolving.
Yes. And I enjoy different things now compared to what I used to enjoy before.
That's true. Parang you're maturing.
Yeah. Maybe it's about time na, no? 38 now this year.
I know.
Last year, I allowed myself to meet new people. So now, ang dami kong new friends. So masaya.
Is there any lesson you learned from what you went through?
You really have to be kind to yourself, I think. And honor what you're going through. Diba? Lalo na kapag nasa public eye ka. Parang lagi mo dinideny sa sarili mo what you're going through.
Tama yun. Parang you have to allow yourself to go through how you feel.
Yeah.
Sometimes, being calm beats being happy.
I love that. That's true.
Masarap lang yun. Actually, sometimes happiness is overrated even.
True. I think being happy is being at peace.
Yes, that's it.
Diba?
Being happy is being at peace.
True.
Ano, okay ako. Kalmado.
Kalmado tayo. I love that. I love that about you, P. I love you being calm.
Thank you.
And because you're in a kalmado place, pwede na tayo mag-treatment.
Yes.
Alright, so now we are doing a high-intensity focused ultrasound. And of course, Bea is preparing for something. Bea, no?
Yes, I'm doing a series.
Oh, it's a
so we start
series.
training tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, para siya sa streaming platform.
Wow.
And then, it's a dream role.
Wow.
So, kailangan paghanda.
Oh, yes.
I think Bea's eyes.
Anytime. Right?
Pero babisitahin kita sa next time.
And then we have to have dinner, right? Yes. How do you like our color coordinated?
Didn't even talk about ourselves. Didn't plan.
You know, like-minded people.
Yeah. Brave minds think alike.
Yes, agree.
Bye. I love your look.
Thank you. Bye.